Alex was a poor orphan boy. He lived alone in a broken wooden house in the countryside. He had no parents, no family, and almost no food. People in the village ignored him or treated him badly. Still, every day he worked small jobs to survive. Sometimes he earned a little food, sometimes nothing. Even though life was hard, Alex had one thing left inside his heart. He talked to God in simple words. God, I don't ask for big things. Just don't forget me. One afternoon, Alex worked all day for a strict man named Mr. Carter. Under the hot sun, he carried wood, water, and heavy sacks. At the end of the day, he received a small bag of food. For him, this bag was like treasure. On the way home, a group of older boys stopped him. They laughed, pushed him, and threw his food on the ground. Alex felt small and hurt inside. He picked up what he could with shaking hands. He looked at the sky and whispered, God, I know others suffer more, but am I so small that you can't see me? Please give me strength not to become like them. His heart was heavy, but he still chose kindness. The path home passed next to a quiet river. Alex saw an old man sitting on a rock. He looked very tired. Good evening, son, the old man said softly. Do you have something to share? I have not eaten today. Alex looked at his bag, the little food he had left. He remembered his mother's words. When you give from the heart, you never end up empty. Alex felt nervous. His food was so little, but he wanted to help. He took the best piece of bread, cleaned it, and gave it to the man. The old man smiled and ate slowly. Thank you, son. You are kind, he said. Alex felt warmth in his heart. For the first time that day, he felt proud of himself. The old man asked Alex to help him walk. They moved slowly under the trees. Then the old man stopped. He looked at Alex with eyes full of light. Alex, he said, gently, do you know who you walked with today? With you, sir, Alex said. With a tired old man. The man's face slowly shone with a warm golden light. I have walked with you long before today, he said. I was with you the night you cried alone. I heard your prayers when no one else did. I saw every tear. Alex felt his heart shaking. I only prayed to God, he whispered. The old man smiled and said, I am the one who never left your side. I am your God. Alex fell to his knees with tears. I thought you forgot me, he said. No, God answered, touching his head kindly. I never abandoned you. You chose to stay kind even in pain. And today you helped me when you thought you were helping a stranger. Then God touched Alex's food bag. It became heavy. Inside there was fresh bread, rice, potatoes, and fruit. What you gave in love, God said, I will return multiplied. Alex walked home with a full bag and a peaceful heart. From that day, people saw a new light in him. Good people came to help him. He learned a job, got honest work and studied. Life was still not perfect, but he never felt alone again. Every time he walked by the river, he remembered the place where God walked with him. Alex's story is also for you. Maybe you feel forgotten. Maybe life is hard. Maybe you give more than you receive. But remember, God sees your kindness. God sees your quiet tears. God multiplies what you give with love. You are never walking alone. Sometimes God comes not in loud miracles, but in a tired stranger, a quiet moment, or a small choice to do good. Your kindness matters. Your heart matters. And one day, doors will open where you once saw only walls.